What's up, guys? It has been a very long time since I uploaded a video to my YouTube channel, but that is not why I am here talking to you guys today. This video should have been put out a couple months ago, but due to the courts and getting permission from his parents and out of respect for his parents, I chose to postpone the video. Now I am here talking to you guys. On August 21st, 2024, we lost someone great that was close to a lot of us. We lost Logan. He was sadly taken from us in a motorcycle accident at around 9:55, 10 o'clock p.m. And I am not posting this video to get sympathy or attention. I'm not. I am simply here to post this video because Logan was a big part of my channel. And I would like to share some of the memories that I cherish with you guys. Because it is not a time to mourn. It is a time to laugh and look back and cherish that person that we had close to us. Logan was that person to me. He was a great friend to not only me, to everybody else that was in my group throughout the channel. He was an amazing friend to all of us. And a person like him will never be forgotten. This video goes out to Logan Vogel. Rest in paradise, buddy. I love you.
Logan, any final words for the Mustang Part 2?
If it doesn't break, I'm gonna be pissed off. Hey YouTube, listen to the Rodberg. Go ahead and hit it for me, buddy.
Logan. Fuck.
Fucked up.
Logan, what happened, huh? Hey, yo, Logan. Yo, how's that water doing, by the way? Logan in the fox body during a thunderstorm. One, go.
Logan, shut the fuck up! Fortnite benefits! I just shit on my ass, booting up my PC, cause you need me to get the Fortnite benefits! What the fuck was that?
On today's episode, how fucked up? It's fucked up. That's fucked up. Logan, say hello.
Hey.
I'm red. Update, kind of blew it. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's done.
Battery for it. Can
Another update. Logan is destroying his speaker.
It's gone. Battery gone.
Oh God. What the fuck is Logan doing? Logan, are you good?
I just took a shit in the pants. My name is Logan Vogel, and this is the fucking Kool-Aid Man. Oh yeah!